Long-term power switch. To comply with international shipping regulations, sometimes we are required to ship second sights in the off mode. This is a physical switch that disconnects second sight from the battery. This switch can also be used for long-term storage of second sight. For example, if you are storing second sight for more than 3 months without charging second sight. The power switch is located underneath the battery and may be accessed with a small screwdriver. To disconnect second sight from the battery, move the switch to the far left-hand side, nearest the USB port. To connect second sight to the battery, move the switch to the far right-hand side, nearest white standby button.